This elegant home is located within the beautiful lakefront community of River Sound. This Stephen Fuller architectural designed home offers 4 bedrooms/4.5 BAs. Inviting foyer welcomes guests to a grand living room with 18-feet cathedral ceilings, with stone-stacked wood-burning fireplace and custom-built and entertaining cabinets and bookshelves. Main-level master suite with gas fireplace, French doors to the 800 square feet expansive deck, walk-in closet designed by Tailored Living and master bathroom. Cherry cabinets offering abundant storage in the kitchen, island bar seating, gas cooktop, double ovens, granite countertops with Jerusalem stone tile backsplash. Main level study features custom-built bookshelves and accent art lighting. Formal dining with custom wainscoting and butler's pantry. Main level laundry room and 3-car garage, with professionally installed epoxy floors by Tailored Living. Basement offers a second full kitchen with granite countertops and California slate-wrapped bar and backsplash, gas Bosch and decor appliances and custom-built cabinetry. This basement great room is perfect for entertaining with a 3rd stone wood-burning fireplace, custom-built wood beams and entertainment cabinets. Pre-wired surround sound conveys with the home. Additional workshop space can double as storage or converted into additional bedrooms. Full-size bathroom and private studio insulated for audio recording, can also be additional office or hobby room. The 3rd floor has a walk-in attic with 2-level storage, 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. 2 bedrooms share access to a private study or bonus room. River Sound offers tennis courts, separate indoor and outdoor swimming pools and a 2-level clubhouse. Conveniently located in West Knoxville, within minutes to shopping, schools, airport and hospitals. Seller is offering 1-year home warranty with 2 to 10 buyers warranty. Clear stucco report on file. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below.